Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. Again, I'm making another recipe for football season, you guys, and this episode starts right now. Okay guys, so I'm back. Today guys, we're making a 7-layer dip. So perfect for now during football season. Wow, and so easy to make. Let me show you the ingredients. Let's check them out. All right guys, so here's the ingredients. Here are our 7 ingredients for our 7-layer dip. How easy. Just assembly is the only thing you need to do. I have black refried beans we're using today, pickled jalapenos, sour cream, salsa, black olives, shredded cheddar, shredded fiesta blend, which is actually Monterey Jack and cheddar. I love this. And shredded iceberg lettuce, you guys. And that is it. Okay, we're going to accompany that, guys, with some delicious tortilla chips. I'm going to zoom in now and I'm going to show you guys how to assemble this. It's so easy and so delicious. Check this out. Okay guys, so I'm going to zoom this in and show you. I'm going to start out with our refried black beans. This is wonderful. You have people coming over. It's football season. Friends come over. You know, the guys like to, whether they like to have a couple beers or not or whatever they like. It's just nice. It's just so much fun. So normally, I would heat this up, but I'm not going to do that today. There's not even a need to spray your pan, guys. So we're going to put our first layer, which is our black beans. Make sure you spread it out at the other can. This is actually my version, and it's a cold dip, so everyone makes it different. A lot of people use refried beans. These are refried beans, but they're black. They're not pinto, so. Stovetop Yum Yum's 7-layer dip. So let me know in the comments who your favorite football team is, and I'll let you know who mine is. All right, guys, second ingredient we're going to put in is the pickled jalapenos. Please be careful when you're using your hands not to touch your eyes, because pickled jalapenos are spicy. They're delicious spicy. Now we're going to grab our salsa. You can make your own pico if you'd like. I've made my own pico. I decided to use mild salsa today. One jar of 16 ounces. This is mild because I have jalapenos in here. And, like I said, I've made my own pico. You can do that. But I wanted to make it an easier version, like a store-bought of ingredients, so it would be an easy go-to to make. Especially if you're just... Especially if you're a bachelor, you don't like to cook, you have your guy friends that are coming over to check out the game. You can just go ahead and pick these ingredients up and throw it together in no time. Throw it together, refrigerate it, and voila, that's it. Now we're going to put the sour cream. Yum. Can't have jalapeno and salsa without sour cream. I'll tell you that. That's ingredient number 4. So now I'm going to spread this as well. Let's spread that out. Our sour cream. Yum, yum, yum. Yummy for my tummy. This is so versatile and so easy. Okay, so that's our ingredient number 4, sour cream. So now we're going to go to ingredient number 5, which is going to be now our lettuce. I have my lettuce, my shredded lettuce here. Oh my goodness. This is like Mexican happiness in a bowl. So delicious. I really love this. Your friends are going to love this. Oh my God, this is so much fun. It's so easy to make. So easy to make, guys. Next, we're going to grab our black olives. Black olives galore because we love black olives. I can't lie. You can put 1 can if you'd like, but I like black olives. If you like black olives, you know, go for it. To finalize it with our cheese. I'm so excited. Look how pretty that looks. Looking nice. Yum, yum. Nice and delicious. So there's no real measurements for like the olives or the cheese. You can use as much or as little as you'd like. You know, and if you also look at it, you guys, this is very keto friendly. This is, there's not any unhealthy carbs in this dip. So that also helps if you're watching your carbs. Look at that. If you put as much or as, I'm such a super cheese person. Oh, God. Look at that. Okay. So look at this close up, you guys. Stovetop Yum Yum 7-layer dip. Wow. So now we are going to try it. Oh, cameraman. All right, so now I've got cameraman, my husband here. Say hi, honey.
Hey.
We are going to try the 7-layer dip. He loves football, by the way. Who's your favorite football team?
Dallas. She's a Dolphin fan.
I'm a Dolphin fan, diehard. I mean, I was raised a Dolphin fan, and you know, I love the Dolphins regardless of their outcomes. It doesn't matter.
We're going to Super Bowl this year. Go Dallas.
All right, so I've got some little scoop chips here. I'll go first. We're going to grab some of this. This is deep. This is kind of like, let me show you guys something. This is pretty deep. So you would actually grab this and put it, you can put it like in a bowl or something. Does that make sense? Like there's a lot, so here you go, sir. Chip for you.
Amen.
Yum.
Looks good.
And a chip for me.
Ooh.
Hold on. Let's put everything on it. Yum. Okay, guys, so now I'm tasting. Yum.
That's real good. I already ate mine.
Good. Mm. 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 Wow.
That's awesome.
Mm. Mm.
Real good.
Yum. Well,
Oh.
Monday Night Football.
It's going down. It's
Right.
going down tonight.
So remember, guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to comment. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, consider subscribing. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget the bell so you don't miss any episodes. Guys, and Stovetop Yum Yum's popularity is based on 2 main ingredients, which are...
Passion and love.
That's right. I don't care where you come from. I don't care what your kitchen looks like. It doesn't matter what you're making. If you incorporate my 2 main ingredients, passion and love, your recipe will not fail. I promise you, your recipe will not fail. And also, guys, don't forget our Stovetop Yum Yum merch created by us. And our brand new designs, and our original designs, our aprons, shirts. You'll love it. Visit us here at www.stovetopyumyum.com. Oh, and don't forget promo code Stovetop will save you 10% off your entire order. And we at Stovetop Yum Yum in the state of Florida always ship for free. But I have something going for the month of September, honey, which for the whole entire month, shipping will be free nationwide. Woo! Not bad. And remember, you guys, as I always say, with pure love in my heart, au revoir, I love you, los quiero, and until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back and I will see you guys then. Take great care, guys. Bye.